everyone, let's make this greeting card. Let's get started. So we're going to fold this green craft paper and paste it on the white paper. Draw the star and look, your Christmas tree is ready. We're also adding some lines inside like this. Let's color it all. Write Merry Christmas. We're also pasting the Santa Claus on the front and look, your greeting card is ready. Let's make this Christmas Day greeting card. So cut these measurement of pink craft paper. Now we are going to fold all of them. So take one of them, fold it and make this triangular shape and look at the size. Now we are going to paste all of them one over another and make this cone shape. And look, your Christmas tree is ready. After this, take another piece of paper. You can see the size on the screen and start folding it. Press it and you will get this triangular shape. After folding it, we are going to press it again and do the same for rest of the pieces. Paste all of them. This way you can also make a Christmas tree and look how pretty these are looking. You can try it for making greeting cards. Let's make these beautiful greeting cards for Christmas Day. So we are going to cut this green craft paper. We are making the Christmas tree here. So fold it like this. After folding all of them, open it like we're doing here and fold it from other side as well. Gently press it and look, it's ready. Now we are going to punch it at the center and tie it using this thread. Now we are going to decorate the Christmas tree. We are going to paste some red circles and look, it's ready. Paste some gift as well and star and look, it's done. We are also drawing some stars inside. Write Merry Christmas, draw a wreath and your Christmas cards are ready. Let's make this beautiful greeting card for Christmas Day. We are going to fold this blue craft paper. Now draw lines on the top of it. After this, we are going to cut it like this from the sides and fold the paper like we are doing here. Now open it again and cut it like this. Again, we are going to fold it from both its sides. After this, you will get this shape when you open it. Now we are going to decorate it from the inside. So cut the Christmas tree using green craft paper and paste it on the top of the blue one like this. Add more Christmas tree all around it. We're also drawing the snowman. Cut it and cover it more. Write Merry Christmas. We're also drawing some snowflakes around it using white marker and look, it's ready. Now take another blue paper and paste it on the top of the blue paper using glue and look, your greeting card is ready. Let's make greeting card for Christmas Day. So you can take these different color of craft paper, fold it. Here we are going to write Merry Christmas on one. Now take another piece of paper, make multiple fold, cut it like this and paste all of them inside the greeting card and look, your Christmas tree is ready. Let's decorate it now. Paste a star and some gift around it. We are drawing like we're doing here using yellow color of marker. Also draw some snowflakes and it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.